How to restore Apple Music on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. In the App Store, tap on Search at the bottom right to proceed. Tap on the search bar and type in the name of the app you are looking for. For example, music. Tap on the search key on the keyboard to display the results. Locate the Apple Music app in the list and tap on it. As you can see, the Music app is already downloaded on your phone. Now, go back and open up the Settings app. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. You can view and manage your personal information, sign-in and security, payment and shipping, subscriptions and other account settings from here. Over here, go to iCloud. Scroll down and tap on See All beside Save to iCloud. From here, scroll down and turn on the music switch as shown. Following these steps, you can easily restore Apple Music on iPhone.